Hey friends, today I'm making a fresh and flavorful black bean salad. Super easy, super colorful, and perfect for summer cookouts or an easy dinner at home. Let's get started. First up, we're chopping a red onion. I'm doing a medium chop, nothing too fine. You still want to get that little crunch and flavor in each bite. And while I'm chopping, let me just say, I've been loving this Piklohas Knife Set. These knives are super sharp and just glide through everything. No sawing, no pressure, just smooth cuts. Plus, it comes with a magnetic block that keeps all the knives organized and easy to reach. And it looks so sleek on the countertop, like really clean and modern. If you spend any time in the kitchen, this set's definitely worth checking out. Now I'm moving on to the bell peppers. I'm using one red and one yellow for that nice pop of color. Chop them into bite-sized chunks or strips, totally your call. Next, we've got cherry tomatoes. I like cutting mine in halves or quarters so they release a little juice and add to the flavor mix. Next, you're going to grab a can of black beans. Rinse them really well under cold water until that cloudy liquid runs clear, then drain them fully. Add the black beans to a large mixing bowl. Right after that, we're adding 1 can of sweet corn, which was also drained. Now toss in your chopped onions, peppers, and tomatoes. It's already looking so fresh and colorful. Give everything a nice mix. I had a little bit of chopped cilantro ready to go. It brings out such a bright herby flavor. If you're not into cilantro, you can always swap it out for parsley. Now for the vinaigrette. I actually started mixing it off camera. Thought the camera was rolling, but it wasn't. So far, I've got olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a little honey in the bowl. Now I'm going in with some fresh lime juice, just enough to brighten things up. Give that a good stir. Time to cut up our avocado. You want nice sized chunks, not too small, not too big. We're not trying to make guac here. We're just wanting that creamy texture throughout the salad. I forgot to add my jalapenos, but you can go ahead and add that to give it a nice kick, okay? Now let's season it up. Add a little cumin and some chili powder. These 2 spices really tie everything together and give that Tex-Mex kind of vibe. Now go ahead and add your vinaigrette and just mix it gently as I stated before, and then that will be it. Now it's time for a taste test. It's really yummy, but guess what's missing? It's missing some more salt. So go ahead and add your salt. I will have the correct measurement of salt in the description box below, so you don't have to do what I did. I'm making this from memory. My aunt taught me how to make this black bean salad, and I am so happy to share it with you guys. And that's it. Transfer your cowboy salad or your black bean salad to your favorite serving bowl or platter. This is perfect for barbecues, potlucks, or just an easy dinner during the week. It's light but filling, and that flavor combo hits every time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you'd give this a try or how you make it your own. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you next time.